welcome back to my website. It's been a while since I posted any blogs or vlogs. I've been a little bit busy. Last month my sister had her baby reveal party and I decided to build a piñata, stuff it with the appropriate colored streamers for them to break open, and thought while I'm at it I might as well make an interactive game out of it. So I have a YouTube channel that was dedicated to all of the activities that I created a video for, in which all of our family and friends who came to the event got to participate in, watching, if you will. It was an agent theme, so it was a spy agent theme. So I was the head agent. I'm Special Agent Darlene D. Reese, Covert Operations and Infiltration, and I would disperse my message to all the other agents on how to proceed with a task or the game that we had planned. And over the course of the afternoon, we keep showing these videos and showing more clues so that when my sister had the pull string piñata, boom, all the streamers would come out. So let me show you some of the stuff that we did. There's a few, if you just click below. Check out the website, check out the links, see what you think. It seemed pretty fun, very interactive, very personal and personalized, and I really enjoyed doing it. And plus the piñata was pretty easy to make. Of course, if it gets too crazy or elaborate, I don't know if I can go that route, but I certainly did have fun creating the storyline of the agency that was looking in on the mole and the intel breach and implicating my little nephew in it and making all these cute clips. Just click below and see them. I had a really fun time with it. And I'm very, very excited to be an auntie, which makes me also think maybe I should do some sort of a interactive planning a party thing as a side business? I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyhow, that's where I was at for the last little while, and took some time to spend with my folks and my family, my husband, and thought I should do a follow-up post. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy what little I've shared. And stay tuned, because December 1st is happening soon, which means I get to open all of my Advent tea calendars. And I am going to be sharing 2 different calendars, and I'd have 2 different types of tea every day. And I will talk about my initial impressions and reviews and just my love of tea. So, ta-ta everybody. Bye.